Today I'm going to eat my way through Nakamise-dori Street and check out Senso-ji Temple. Welcome to Asakusa. Curry?
One curry?
One curry.
One minute?
Yep.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Could you wait a minute?
Sure. All right, the first thing I'm going to try is this deep fried curry. It's extremely hot, looks delicious. It's a little sweet. It almost tastes like a donut batter, like a deep fried donut batter with curry in it. Not bad for the first pot. Now we're gonna head on to something else. All right, next up is I found a place called Japanese Matcha Sweets. They had some Matcha Mochi, so I decided to get me a cup. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that a shot, see how it tastes. Tastes like grass. All right, I made it through the gate. Now I need to see what my fortune is. So I'm about to go see that process. All right, so it said I had good fortune. So now it's time to go actually inside Senso-ji Temple. saw this Japanese man making some bean paste cakes. So I'm gonna go ahead and give them a shot, see how they taste. You can see that he's very generous with the bean paste. All right, here we go, a bean paste cake. Yeah, the cake's really good. It tastes kind of like a pound cake. All in all, pretty good. All right, so the last thing I'm gonna try is a sweet potato cake. Yes, I know I've tried a couple of cakes, but that seems to be the theme today. So you can check out freshly made sweet potato cake. Oh yeah, definitely getting some sweet potato. It's kind of more of like a custardy sweet potato. Oh, this thing is good. This is by far the best thing I've had today. Now it's time to check out what the rest of the grounds has. I saw they have this pagoda that's in the background, and then I want to go see what's behind the temple.